Hi, I'm Tiekka. Welcome to Everyday Ballet, where we bring gorgeous classical ballet principles, training, and style to everyday life. No matter your age, your body type, your experience, or ability, I am here to show you all about this gorgeous technique and how to bring ballet grace and power to your life. In this video, we have a foot conditioning sequence that we're going to do lying on the floor. So you'll want a mat or a towel to pad your spine. And foot conditioning is just good any old time because ballet is always using the feet and legs. And this is especially good if you have shin splints. This will strengthen the ankles and the muscles of the shin and get those used to working as we need to in ballet. And remember, if you like this video, like, subscribe, share, and set your notifications so you won't miss any of my ballet training. I'm so delighted you're here. Let's ballet. Lying down on your back, we're going to be hugging in at the core and releasing across the head and chest. And we're going to start with one leg at a time. So go ahead and lift one leg. You can just flex the foot. The knee is just slightly bent. And we're going to start by doing foot circles. So when you're doing foot circles, you really want to articulate through each part of the foot and ankle. Your shin is going to start to burn. And that is exactly what we want. We want to ignite those muscles and stretch and strengthen them. Okay, so here we go. We're going to start by doing outward circles. So rotating and reaching, pressing through the ball and around and flexing and reaching, pressing, pointing as you circle around and flexing at the top, reaching, pointing, circle around, and here is 4. See, right here, just even me, and I do ballet all the time, my shin starts to burn about at number 4. Here we are at 5. And flexing and circling, pointing and reaching at 6. Here's 7. Are you breathing? Really push into the ball of the foot, reach for the toes, and there is 8. Now we're going to reverse the circle. So you're pressing through the ball, pointing, and reaching with pointed toes. Really feel like the toes are skimming the edge of a circle. And around for 3, and 4, and 5. Make sure you're breathing. And 6, and 7, and 8. As you come to the top, flex. Now your shin's probably burning, but we've got a little bit more to do. We're going to reach for the ball and point, and then flex the toes and flex the heel. And once again, reach through the ball and point the toes, and flex the toes and flex the heel. And 6 more times. Ball of the foot, toes, ball, heel, ball, toes, ball, heel. 4 more. Ball, toes, ball, heel, and ball, toes, ball, heel. And I think we have 2 more. I kind of lost count there, but that's okay. Ball, heel. Last one. Ball, toes, ball, heel. Excellent, and shake it out. That shin is probably on fire. So now we're going to place that foot flat down on the floor and reset for the second side. So go ahead and take the other leg into the air, and you can flex the foot. The knee is slightly bent. We're going to start with outward rotation, so out away from the center of the body. Here we go. Circling out, pressing through, pointing, and around. Really flex and push through those toes and around. Make sure you're breathing. Here's 3 and around. Here's 4 and around. Here's 5 and around, and 6, and around. Make sure you're breathing, try to relax the face and the jaw. Sometimes when we're using the feet, they want to do the work. And 7, and 8. Good. Okay, now we're going to do the inward circles. So, inward, pushing through the ball, the toes, really trying to touch the edge of that circle that you're making. So the ankle is really working here, and the shins, the front of the shins, especially outside front of the shin. There's 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Good, and at the top, we're gonna now do our flexing and pointing. So pushing through the ball, pushing through the toes, pressing the ball, flexing the heel. Ball, toes, ball, heel. And again, ball, toes, ball, heel, ball, toes, ball, heel. 4 more, almost there. I know that shin is burning, and that's just fine. Remember to breathe, that will help. There was 6, and here is 7. We're almost there. Ball, heel, and 8. Point, ball, heel. Oh, and shake it out. That is a lot. And go ahead and place it down. So I know that was a lot for the shins and the ankles and the feet. So you can always just give yourself a little massage, especially at the front of the shin here after doing that. But this will strengthen those areas and help prevent things like shin splints, and it will also help you to feel the articulation of your feet and lower legs. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, remember to like, subscribe, share, and set your notifications. And if you're looking for deeper ballet practice, check out my Ballerina Body online programs. They really will take you from that absolute beginner to pre-point and beyond. And it's a very structured approach that is appropriate for any dancer, whether you have experience or you're brand new to ballet. Thank you so much for joining me, and until next time, happy dancing.